गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्न उपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदं तं भक्तानाम् एकदं तं उपास्महे। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे। कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनं वासुदेवं जगद्योनिं नौमि नारायणं हरिम् ॐ। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ अग्ने नयसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणवेनो भूयिष्ठां तेन मुक्तिं विधेम। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवच्चसि जायताम् आराष्ट्रे राजन्यशूरैषव्यो दिव्याधी महारथो जायतां दुग्ध्री धेनुः वोढानड्वानासुः सप्तिः पुरन्धिर्योषा जिष्णुरशिरथेष्ठा सुहेष्टवेयो युवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायतां निकामे निकामेनः पर्जन्यो वर्षतु फलवत्यो न ओषधयः पच्यन्ताम् योगक्षेमो नः कल्पेताम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु। अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So just now we made a prayer that Upanishad Dharmaha Tani Mayi Santu. Whatever dharmas that are enunciated, explained, illustrated in Upanishads, let that come and occupy our mind and make our lifestyles really rewarding. Therefore, we are now trying to catch up some important answers from the great Maharshi, Pippala the Maharshi, and there are six rishis who are having doubts, questioning, and then expecting answers from Pippala the Maharshi. Pippala, he is Atharveda Purusha, and so this is what we are in. It is going by the name Prashnopanishad. See, Aruna Prashna, Prashnopanishatu, and somehow the word Prashna is a section, a division, a getting answer, a chapter, getting answers to our own quest or search. Now we have completed answers for the two questions. In the first two chapters, the first question was why people are being filled constantly in the world. And that's one first question. And the answer was answered very well by Pappalada, saying that the Prajapati is a Prajakama. Prajakamas So thereby he is a Kulala, he is a Kumbhara, he is a potter. So as potter keeps on preparing more and more parts, making the wheel rotate and bring out the shapes, sizes, requirements, etc. from the mud. So Kulalavan Niyamite Brahmanda Bhandodare is Bhartruhari. So the Brahmanda Bhanda is the fan. In this Brahmanda Bhanda, Kulala is Brahmadeva. And therefore, he has got to be preparing people differently in respect of their circumstances, in respect of their places, in respect of their moods and mind, etc. All that is differentiated. In the second question, there was also a question, why at all there is okay, Prajapati has created and filled the world with people, then why should there be at all division among the people? Something like Devaha, gods. Hello, Ma. So Devaha, Mahadevaha, even among, and also extra. In third one also, we have got, in third division also, we have otherwise. So Devaha, Mahadevaha, Paramadevaha, even Pranam. Even in the body, the Pancha Pranas are introduced, and among them, నానా క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను. నేను మళ్ళా మాట్లాడతాను. కరెక్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? అమ్మ అమ్మ ఉంది ఇక్కడ, వచ్చింది బయటికి. ఫోన్ ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉంది? నా దగ్గర ఉంది, నా ఫోను. నీ ఫోన్ కాదు, అమ్మ ఫోన్. అది అమ్మ దగ్గరే ఉంది. సరే, పిలుస్తా. మళ్ళా పిలుస్తాను నేను. So the second question was why there is a division among people and among gods, even among Rakshasas. So in all classes of people, there are divisions made. And again in the Panchapranas that everybody sustains inside, there was no importance given for the Pranavayu. By the other Vayus, Apana, Vyana, Udanas, and Samana. Then Prana wanted to establish its superiority, and therefore it just went out casually. Then all other pranas also went off. Then they realized, no, 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 no. When you are there, we could return. But if you are out, then I am not at all. Will be in the body. So vacating the body. So that's why pranasyedam vase sarvam tridivam tridive yatu pratishthitam madeva putran rakshasva srihi prajna videhi na. So ultimately, the prana is Paramatma Vishnu. We have been noting Vaikuntha Purusha Pranaha andre. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಯಾರು? The Paramatma himself is the Vaikuntha. And he is saying the Vaikuntha means a place. Vaikuntha is a place where there can never be at all breakage. It is constantly comfortable. That's what it is mean. And that's why Vaikuntha Purushaha Pranaha. Paramatma Vishnu is called as Purusha, anthropomorphic way. So that prana is important. Therefore, there is a prayer for in the last sloka of the second chapter of that is the 13th mantra will tell us, Aya, like mother who gives any and everything for the baby as a first guru, similarly, O Pranadevata, you are actually established in the Tridiva, that is in Swargalokam. So that is what is called as Tridive and Yat Pratishthitam. So the same thing maybe the same thing maybe in the Bhuloka also. For that purpose, the prana that enters into us, other the vayus that enter into us, should stay in the body for a long time, like and also allow to get wealth, prajna, and prosperity. Therefore, this is a very interesting point. That question answer, the Rishi is satisfied, and that's over. In the third question, he is by the Aswalayana. That Aswalayana Maharshi will put another question, that is, येष प्राणः जायते कथम् आयाति अस्मिन् शरीरे आत्मानं वा प्रविभज्य कथं प्रतिष्ठते केनोत्क्रमते कथं बाह्यं अभिदत्ते कथं अध्यात्मम्. This is exactly wonderful quest that anybody must come to know, that how at all this pranavayu or prana is being created. Second question was, how is the body created? Third question is, okay, how is this pranam entering into our body? And, and another question is, how at all the Sharira is divided into the Atma, and how it gets the Atma, how it gets established inside the body. And moreover, and who is that who sends away the body, even though Atma is live inside the body? And what is Adhyatma? What is Baharatma? So all these things are a matter of great surprise. Actually, it is the great question. Something like innocent people putting question, how is that Surya Bhagavan is on the sky and he is not falling down howsoever? So these are all some natural questions and which are referring to the phenomena and also our body. This is exactly what we call as Sarira Mimamsa, trying to note down our own body, its content and its depths and outside. For that, our Atma is certain, Atma is Paramatma, because Atmana Atmanam Vedhi Vidhi anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Krishna in Gita says, Aya, if at all you want to know you, you need not go outside, you must know inside. So when you become inward, then you will understand who are you, where from are you, what are you to do. That's why Shankara also said, Kastvam. Kastvam kutayataha bhrataha. Who are you? Why you have come? Who are all these? So samsaroyam ati vichitram. So how are the enticement? So in Bhajagovinda Stotram, Shankara Acharya is trying to awaken all people by introducing the essence of all Upanishads. That's really interesting. Therefore, now the answer begins by Pippalada. He was not unhappy, he was very happy to answer because Pippalada Maharshi is not ordinary. He has so much of knowledge. So he's a Paramagnani. So a Paramagnani can be able to answer all these things. Therefore, he answers, Aya Atmanaha Prano Jayate. Prana is nothing extraneous because of the Atma present in us, because of the body coming out into the world. The Pranam also, along with the body, Atma, it comes up. And, uh, and that Atma, in that Prana, in our body will be just like the shadow that we are enjoying. That is, it is sometimes very good, sometimes bad, sometimes again better. So with this kind of variations, the prana will be working in our body. Morning shadow is different, noon shadow is different, and evening shadow is different. Therefore, there cannot be continuous flow or dimension of the prana. And again, he says that next to 3 manokrutena ayati asmin sarire. Okay, the pranam is like that. How does pranam enter into the sariram? I think the answer is by your own mind, because your own mind. Prana is a Shakti, Prana Shakti. Well, next 13th Sunday, you are going to have a wonderful talk on the prana. Already prana Upanishad and all that. So the prana has been a subject matter in all Upanishads. Somebody was telling, why at all Upanishads, sir, they talk about Brahma, they talk about this, more than that, they don't talk about all these things. That is exactly the lifestyle and life essence. You must know yourself. Vidya Atmanam చెప్పినప్పుడు నీవు తెలుసుకోవాలి. Nobody can talk about you. Nobody can know you. That's why Lord Rudra is trying to energize himself, and he wants to be stronger, aware of everything in the world. So what is Shiva is doing means Atmanatmanam pasyantam sada ಶಿವಂ ಭಜೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತನ್ನ ಆತ್ಮದಿಂದ ತನ್ನ ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ he was trying to find out, recapitulate and establish. Therefore, here manassu is something which God endows with all beings. Manas is also connected with the buddhi. So Markandeya Maharshi, no, all Maharshis have got a unified opinion regarding the creation, but they are trying to explain them with different parables. Something like already we have seen in second chapter. If the queen bee were to fly away from the beehive, then all bees will follow. It will become empty. But when queen bee comes, or then all people, king bee or queen bee comes, it all come back. So to say that when once the prana is out from the body, all the other ingredients in our body will automatically get out. And therefore, and we don't see the prana returning when it wants to completely take out even the samana vayu also. So that's why here you observe manaha krutena ayati asmin sarire. It's all the mind that is the maker or the marer of the individuals. మనస్సుంటే ఉద్ధారం అవుతారు, మనస్సుంటే చదువుకుంటారు, మనస్సుంటే పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటారు, పెళ్లిస్తుంటే జీవనం చేస్తారు, మనస్సుంటే సన్యాసులు అవుతారు. బికాస్ ది మనస్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ దట్ వాస్ వాట్ వాస్ కాల్డ్ ధియా. So chittam, that's also another idea. The innermost region of the mind is the chittam. So Ammavaru is said to be Chittihi, that pada Lakshya Artha. సో ఈ చిత్తి ద్వారా మనం ఏమి చూడాలి అనేటువంటిది ద సేమ్ చిత్తి షుడ్ డిసైడ్. దట్స్ వై వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ చిదంబరనాథ. దట్ ఈస్ వెన్ యూ గో టు చిదంబరం, ఆకాశలింగం, దెర్ ఇస్ నో లింగం అట్ ఆల్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో దేవ అట్ ఆల్ ఇన్ ది గర్భగుడి. పీపుల్ సే ఐ డోంట్ నో. సో దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ది ఎంటైర్ ఎక్స్పాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది యూనివర్స్ itself will be the lingakaram of Sadasiva. That is Akasha Shariram Brahma. What all you want to, Sataropanishad tells you, what all you want to imagine how, what is the magnitude and everything about the Brahma, it is something like trying to imagine the measurements of the Akasham. Therefore, Akasha Shariram Brahma is beautiful. And again, there is a beautiful example given by him in the the fourth mantra, saying that like a Chakravarti trying to divide the land and also rulers accordingly, and see that he is able to administer very well. So this is exactly what you see. Samrat eva adhikrutani viniyungte एतन् ग्रामानितान् ग्राम अधिपतिरुन् and प्राणः इतरान् प्राणान् पृथक् पृथक् एव सन्निधत्ते. So this is a matter of administration. This is exactly what Kautilya in Arthashastra economics, book on economics, has tried to talk about the Samrat in all Ramayana, Mahabharata and everywhere. But when this kind of noble administration is not there, they get into the war and lose their lives and or lose the war. Mahabharata is a grand example. And again, Ramayana is another grand example. So like that, we always see that the pruthak eva sannidhat pranan pruthak pruthak eva sannidhatte. So each prana is independent of the other prana, and but ultimately the all pranas get out from the body when once their individual functioning is over. Now I'm reading the fifth one. पायूपस्थे अपाने चक्षुः श्रोत्रे मुख नासिकाभ्यां प्राणः स्वयं प्रतिष्ठते मध्ये तु समानः. So where are these pancha pranas get located in our body? So yeah, Pippalada Maharshi is telling primarily at the apana, payu. Payu is the renal and guda area, and there is apanavayu, and again we have got wind, pressure of the air, pranam, in the eye, in the ear, in the face, in the nose, etc. All the parts are being occupied, and at the center of the body, the samanavayu will be there, because samanavayu is one which will be harmonious, touching a nook and corner of our body. Therefore, the Samana Vayu is very much helpful. Actually, several Upanishads describe all these Pancha Pranas, their locations. And when you go to Taittiriya Upanishad, you have got the Pancha Kosa Vidya. And again, there the Sannamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Manandamaya, Atma. This Atma, Sarira, what was Atma? Maya, andre Vikaram, made up of, and English only made up. So the body, Atma, is made up of Anna, Prana, Mano, Vijnana, and ultimately Ananda. ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಂಚಕೋಶ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪಂಚಕೋಶ ವಿದ್ಯೋಪಾಸನ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾ? ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟೂಲ್. So you can adopt any vidya, any Upanishad's guidance, and make upasana of it. That's why Vedopanishadam antar. So on 13th July, you are going to have a talk by a professor who has taken PhD in the Prana Vidya. She is going to talk on the steps for Prana Sadhana according to Chandogya Upanishad. Don't please miss. You will understand the prana control. So our Vaipulada Maharshi tells us that मध्ये समानः प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितः एष हि एतद् कृतम् अन्नं समं नयति तस्मादेताः सप्तार्चिषो भवन्ति सो सप्तार्चिषः सप्त जिह्वा सप्तार्चिषः is Agni. So Agni is the one actually who is the Samana Vayu, and whatever food you are taking, all that is being circulated all through our body. So that's why etaha sapta archishaha bhavanti. We have noted down. And where are that? Hrudihi Hrudi esha atma atra etad ekashatam nadinam. So in this sixth mantra, we have already explained the entirety of the atma or pranam is in your heart. Hrudaya guharam, Hrudaya guha, Hrudayantarale, or Hruddeshe. All these words are there in other Upanishads, meaning that we're all there. The heart is the seat for all these things. So yeah, all emotions are from the heart. Even Anugita, the other day we were talking about, or in Viduraniti, everywhere, it is said that if you control your anger, then you will be safe. But if you do not control kama, krodha, moha, lobha, all these things come up because of the mind. So, ಈ mind in the ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು we have to got to control. Therefore, ultimately there are so many nadis. He talks about atma ekashatam nadinam tasam shatam shatam ekaikasya dvasaptati 72 dvisaptatihi and pratisakha for every nadi 72 nadis main for every nadi there are further divisions and the division going up to thousands. So ultimately, the pranam, asu means pranam. See, asu vyanaha charati. So in all these multiple nadis in our body, the apana vayu, I mean, the vyana vayu, vyana is spreading. Visheshena yati vyanam. And then without any abstraction being taken up, that will keep going on inside the body. Actually, the Ayurveda people, they always talk about the Vayu. They talk about the Vata. They talk about the Shleshma. They talk about the Pitta. These are the three important systems in our body for its health or difference in it. Therefore, in the seventh mantra, again, he is trying to describe the Vayu. One is Atha ekayoho urdhvam udanaha punyena punyam lokam nayati papena papam ubhabhyameva manushya ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are two Vayus. One is Udana Vayu is there, then Vyana Vayu also is there. Both Vayus are functioning as long as we are breathing our life. But when we die, the Udana Vayu takes the responsibility of carrying your punya to punya loka, your papam to your papa lokam. So there must be a conveyor, duta. So in our body, because Agni is there everywhere, Udana Vayu is the only one in the Manushya which where it will be watching the man and also the karmas that he is doing, and accordingly, the whole show will go like. So Punya, that's why Punya Krut Punyamasnute, Papa Krut Papamasnute. ಅಂದರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯಮಸ್ತುತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಲೋಕಾలకు ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. Even among the lokas, we have got punya lokas and also naraka loka. All punishment lokas are centered in naraka. So in Aruna Prashna, you are going to get a beautiful state. Uttara para uttara bhurvasyam disi vishadi narakaha tasman paripahi. Note the uttaram. There are the naraka directions, but we have to avoid those directions to go even bypass it. So that is possible only because of the grace of Surya Bhagavan. So that's what Aruna Prashna will tell, that which is a prayer only. Then we are going to the Punya Lokas. Next, we are talking about the eighth mantra. I think we should do from this point. आदित्यो ह वै बाह्यप्राणः उदयति एषः हि एनं चक्षुषे चाक्षुषं प्राणम् अनुगृह्णानः पृथिव्यां या देवता सैषा पुरुषस्य अपानम् अवष्टभ्य अन्तरा यदाकाशः सः समानो वायुव्यनिः तेजो हवा उदानः तस्माद् उपशान्ततेजाः पुनः भवम् इन्द्रियम् इन्द्रियमनसीन्द्रियः मनसि सम्पद्यमानः. So this is a very fascinating one. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಡನ್. ಏನೋ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೊರಟೋಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೊರಟೋಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್, ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್? ಅಗ್ನಿ, ವಾಯು, ಸೂರ್ಯ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ರೋಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಈ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ the ruler of our prana in our ಬಹಿಪ್ರಾಣ. ಬಹಿಪ್ರಾಣ ಅಂತಃಪ್ರಾಣ. ಬಹಿಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಐ and other indriyas, panchendriyas are there. That's why they're all outside the body. They're all visible to every. All the five parts, five indriyas are among them. In the face itself has got four indriyas: kannu, kivi, mugu, tongue. And the other things are also there. So that way you observe all the bahya prapancha is being deposited in our mind through our external agencies. And who is going to give you all this? Look here, this sloka is in Adityaha vai bahya pranaha. Actually, earlier it is said that, see, the Chandra and Surya. Surya is the pranam. Chandra is the wealth. In first question, Vaipalada Maharshi tells us that Surya Bhagavan is the pranam. That's why it is said, Bhaskarad ichet arogyam. So ರವಿಯಿಂದ ಆ ಭಾಸ್ಕರನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಂದರೆ, ಚಕ್ಷುಷಂ ಚಾಕ್ಷುಷಂ ಪ್ರಾಣಂ ಅನುಗೃಹಾತಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ, ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ప్రాణం కనెక్టెడ్ టు యువర్ ఐ. ఎప్పుడైతే కళ్ళల్లో చూస్తూ ఉంటామో ప్రపంచాన్ని, కోరికలు పుడుతూ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఎదురు కోరికలు పుట్టుందంటే దానికోసం మనం వర్క్ చేస్తాం, లేకపోతే కష్టపడతాం. Therefore, which is the factor most important, which is giving rise for desires in us? Because it is only chakshusham pranaha. That is chakshurme pranaha. So, chakshurme dehi agne. And there is a Chakshu Upanishad also is there, where Surya Bhagavan is eulogized. And even in the Saura Suktam, there are some mantras where only the eye health, eye care is being marked, because, and also a prayer for the same is being made to Surya Bhagavan. Chakshushpa Agne Chakshurme Dehi. And so Chakshushpa Agne, who is the ruler of your eyes? Agni. Agni is Surya, and Surya is Rudra. Namo Rudraya Vishnave Mrityurme Pahi. Because Rudra is Mrityu. Mrityu under the problem. Mrityu is the stoppage. Apamrityu is sudden stoppage, something like the brakes. Who will put brake to the vehicle sitting? The driver will put brakes. But who is the driver for the vehicle? The driver is the Paramatma, Ishvara. There is nobody to control the Ishvara. Ishvara, Ishwarinam. Driving seat ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರುವಾಗ he is the master, and he is and all the lives of the passengers is in his hand. ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಫ್. ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್. But supposing there is some unawareness in him, accident will happen. Therefore, driver is Ishvara. Ishvara, Ishvaranam. Hange illi Surya Bhagavan is the Ishvara par excellence, because through the eyes, the mind is connected to eye, nose, kivi, tongue, everything is connected with the mind. And also the messages go to the mind. And the mind has got to decide you. Supposing you see a beautiful tree, beautiful lake, beautiful bodies, etc., then it is all the mind which decides you to that. Therefore, Bahyaha Pranaha and Udayati Eshaha Chakshusham Pranaha and Prithiviyam Ya Devataha Saisha Purushasya Apanam Avashtabhya Antarayadakasaha Sasamano Vayuhu Vyanaha. ಈ ವಾಯು ಸಮಾನ ವಾಯು and Vyana Vayu is there being controlled by all the gods. That's why when you read Rudra Ahanyasa or Durga Saptasati Raksha Stotram or any Raksha Stotram, Rama Raksha Stotram, there you will understand the influence of the deity prime to take guarding of your indriyas in our body, such that you will be able to sustain and maintain and continue a long life upon the earth. ಈ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಲ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಪೃಥಿವ್ಯಾಂ ಯಾ ದೇವತಾ ಪುರುಷಸ್ಯ ಏಷಾ ಅಪಾನಂ ಅವಷ್ಟಭ್ಯ ಅಂತರಾಕಾಶ ಸಸಮಾನ. ಸೊ ಅಪಾನಂ ಅವಷ್ಟಭ್ಯ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್, ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್. ಈ ಅನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇವತೆಗಳು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಡೈಜೆಷನ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಲಿವರು, ಸ್ಪ್ಲೀನು ಎಲ್ಲ, they will produce some kind of juices, I was told, I don't know. And when once the stomach becomes full, it is an indication that these enzymes must jump into the stomach. And then the digestion begins. So digestion bari hotte matra ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. It requires the cooperation of the enzymes and the other spleen and all of those things. And then the digestion takes place. And whatever food is digested, that digested food is being circulated by the Apanavayu and disposed. Whatever waste is there, that is human waste or any waste is there, that is being thrown out. And what is really energized and turned into Shakti, that will get circulated by the power of the Apanavayu. And what does the Udanavayu do? The Udanavayu will take to, Samanaha Vayuhu Vyanihi Akashaha. So that is the covering the entire Akasha of our body. We have got Bahirakasha, Antarakasha. No two parts of our body inside are overlapping. If the body parts are overlapping, it's an issue to the body. If they are all posited in their respective positions with some gap, that is called as Akasham. That's why people say the abdomen is the magical box of a surgeon ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ abdominally entire machinery for the human life is being located there, and therefore ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಅಬ್ಡೋಮಿನಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಉದಾನ ತಸ್ಮಾದ್ ಉಪಶಾಂತ ತೇಜ. ದೆನ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೈ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆತ್ is also important. That is being defined in the mantra number 9. Tejo hava udanaha. See, udana is the speed, force, energy, brilliance. So if the body, if udana vayu is calm and quiet, non-functional, then the body gone. And again, that udana vayu would come back. Punaha bhavan indriyam manasi sampajyamanaihi yacchittaha tenaisha pranamayati. So you see, there is one chittam. Manas is universal. But chittam is personal. ఒకరి చిత్తము ఇంకొకరి చిత్తంతో టాలీ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ వైఫ్ అండ్ హస్బెండ్ ఆల్సో, దే మే టెంపరరీ అక్సెప్ట్ marriage wedlock, but later on, if they are not at all cooperating wholesale, then the samsaram will be a problem. That's what it is said. So chittam ayati andre, chittam is the one real pranam. Yat chittaha tena esha pranam ayati anuvaga. So this is what people say. There is a saying, first year, the husband speaks, wife listens. Second year, wife talks and husband listens. Third year and onwards, both talk, others listen ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಚಿತ್ತಂ. ಚಿತ್ತಮಾಯಾತಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಚಿತ್ತಂ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಚಿದೇಕ ರಸರೂಪಿಣಿ. when Lalita Sahasranam is a top book. It's an encyclopedia. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮಗಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ರಹಸ್ಯ ನಾಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮ ಈಸ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ತಿಹಿ, ಚಿತ್ತಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿದಗ್ನಿ ಕುಂಡಂಭು, ಚಿದಗ್ನಿ, ಚಿತ್ತಿಹಿ, ಚಿತ್ಪದ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ, ಚಿತ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿದ ಅರ್ಥ, ಚಿದಾಕಾಶ, ಚಿದಂಬರ, ಚಿದೇಕ, ಚಿತ್ ರಸ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚಿತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆನ್ ಚಿತ್ sometime long years back, and I went on reflecting in what are the attributes this way, that way, as upasarga and afterwards, and describe the top importance of the chit in our body. So here, chittam tejaha ha udana tasmad upashanta tejaha punaha bhavam indriya manasi sampajyamanaihi. Then yat chittaha tena esha pranamayati. Pranaha tejasa yuktaha sahatmana tatha sankalpitam lokam nayati. This is how do we go? And what is the sankalpitam yogam is not our desire. Paramatma has marked everything. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಟು ರುದ್ರ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಅಗ್ನಿ. ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅಗ್ನೇ ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ವಯುನಾನಿ ವೇದ. ಈ ವಯುನಾನಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾನಿ ವೇದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈ ವಯುನಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಅಗ್ನಿದೇವನಿಗೆ. ಅಗ್ನಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ life force in us. Agni is the pranam. Agnihi pranaha. Agnihi chittam. Agniradityaha. Agnihi. ಈ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ actually Motilal Banarsi Das people have published 2 volumes on Agni. If at all you have to go there, you can ask for those 2 volumes, very big. People have worked, large number of articles are there. In fact, they offered that to be taken to our Vedanta Kendra library with discount. Sir, discount ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ. But somehow at that time it did not happen. Anyway, even today, anybody who wants to note down about Agni Pratha, Agni, it is all that. In fact, Agni Purana itself is there. You know that so much important for Agni, a separate Puranam also is coming into being. Anyway, now Tatha Sankalpitam Lokam Nayati. Yaudu Pranaha Tejasa. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಈ ತೇಜಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣವಾಯು, what is the function of this pranavayu when it joins apanavayu, when it joins the udanavayu, when it joins the samanavayu, so when it joins with vyana, so all the prana is the associate with other vayus for a number of purposes that the body, the janma that it has got it to function all that. So now, so Vasan, would you please read 7 to 10? Or Zulingaya? 3, 7.
7 Guruji.
3, 7 is the word. Athaikayoho.
अथैकयोर्द्वा उदानः पुण्येन पुण्यं लोकं नयति पापेन पाप मुभाभ्यामेव मनुष्यलोकम् आदित्यो हा वै बाह्य प्राणान् उदयत्येषा हेनुं चाक्षुषं प्राणमनुगृह्णानः पृथिव्यां या देवता सैषा पुरुषस्यापाना अवष्टभ्यान्तरा यदाकाशः स समानो वायुर्व्यानः तेजो हवा उदानस्तस्मात् दुपशान्तस्तेजाः पुनर्भवमिन्द्रियैर्मनसि सम्पद्यमानै यच्चित्त
Really?
यच्चित्तस्तेनैष प्राणामायति प्राणस्तेजसा युक्तः सहात्मना यथा संकल्पितं लोकं नयति य एवं विद्वान् प्राणं वेद न हास्य प्रजा हीयते अमृतो भवति तदेष श्लोकः.
Yes. Now we remember our T.S. Gopal, our yoga master, when he starts the class, he'll say, close your eyes, observe your breath ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the pranam? Pranam will be inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So when pranam is coming, and if you control the mind, control the prana, yama, then your mind will be stable. You observe. If you are asked to make omkara,
Yes,
so ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ it is always connected with the other pranas and morely seated in the mind. So mind control ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ continuity lifestyle will increase and we live more. Therefore, chittaha tena esha pranam ayati. Again, you inhale, exhale ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರಾಣ ತೇಜಸಾಯುಕ್ತ ಸಹಾತ್ಮನ తథా సంకల్పితం లోకం నయతి. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రాణము ఆత్మతో కలుస్తుందో, ఆత్మ అంటే శరీరం, శరీరంతో కలుస్తుందో అప్పుడు సంకల్పిత లోకాన్ని ఆ ఆత్మ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతుంది. దట్స్ ఈస్ టు సే దట్ our system in our body is so perfectly done whatever actions to take place connected to body and mind inside is taking place, and therefore nakopi nakasyapi సహాయం కరోతి అంత. ఎవరు ఎవరిని హెల్ప్ చేయలేరు, ఎవరికి వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ చేసుకుంటూనే ఉండాలి. That is what independence. Even in old age, if the person is lucky, he will be, if he is able to attend to his own normal duties, it is ಮಹಾದೃಷ್ಟಂ ಮಹಾ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಂ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕೊಡು ಇದು ಕೊಡು ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗು. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಬದುಕುತ್ತೀಯ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ, ಸಾಕು ಬದುಕಿದ್ದು ಹೊರಟೋಗಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೌಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಆ ಗೋಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯೋಗ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ, ಪ್ರಾಣ ಆಗಮನ, ಪ್ರಾಣ ನಿರ್ಗಮನ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ in the 11th mantra, it is said, see, ya evam vidvan pranam veda nahasya praja hiyate amruta bhavati tadesha slokaha. See, when you are able to understand all about the movement and coming and going, all knowledge about the prana, vidwan pranam veda, prajaha na hi asya hiyate. Hiyate means bejaru. The people don't become vexed and disgusted with such old people who have problem with the pranam, who have difficulty in system usually, and therefore what they become amrutaha bhavati esha slokaha, they really become the amrutas. That is, they continue to be happy by themselves. In fact, there is a beautiful video made regarding the retired persons. Every retired officer, retired person, that means going older, each individual has got his own timetable and way out to keep himself engaged. If you don't engage yourself when you are retired or when you are advanced in age, then you become yourself nuisance. ಯಾಕೆ ಬದುಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೊನೆ ಕ್ವಶನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಓಲ್ಡರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್, because they only remember the work, they only remember the car health, house health, ಅಡಿಗೆ health. ಇದರಿಂದ their mind is engaged. But for those people who have got out of all these things, then it is really a great, that's why meditation and so many other outlets are being marked that they should be able to engage. So that is being indicated by our Pitpalada Maharshi in this 12th sloka. ಏನದಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಯಾತಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಂ ವಿಭುತ್ವಂ ಚೈವ ಪಂಚಧಾ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಂ ಚೈವ ಪ್ರಾಣಸ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾಯ ಅಮೃತಮಸ್ನುತೆ ವಿಜ್ಞಾಯ ಅಮೃತಮಸ್ನುತ ಇತಿ. So this last mantra of third chapter is so great that ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೆ. Every day, if you are able to see the sunrise, for old people also, it's a bonus. Surya Bhagavan, I'm able to see you in the morning. One more day you have given me. Ano drushtiinda navidre, and we do something connected to Paramatma, Adhyatma. That's why Krishna said in Gita, Adhyatma Nityatvam Tatvajnana Artha Darshanam. This is the advice for all Purushas in the world, irrespective of the age. That's why here also, Utpattamayati ayatim sthanam. Ayati means long drawn position. Utpattim ayatim sthanam ಒಂದು, and panchadha vibhutvam chaiva adhyatmam pranasya chaiva. So these are all the sadhana sampat paddhati. And ಕೊನೆಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಪ್ರಾಣ ವಿಘ್ನಾಯ ವಿಘ್ನಾಯ ಅಮೃತಮಸ್ನುತೆ ವಿಘ್ನಾಯ ಅಮೃತಮಸ್ನುತೆ ವಿಘ್ನಾಯ ಅಮೃತಮಸ್ನುತೆ ಇತಿ. What Vijnana, the word Vijnana is used. Gnana, Vijnana. So Gnana Vijnana Yogo Nama ತ್ರಯೋದಶೋಧ್ಯಾಯ ಅಂತ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಾಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೋಗ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಂಗ್ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಅರ್ಜುನ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he found Krishna found him to be the eligible candidate to admit, because it's a guptam jnanam, it's a very secret knowledge. All people cannot appreciate the 13th chapter. Everybody may appreciate, no, I mean, all people don't appreciate any chapter. They may like the first chapter. ಓ ನನಗೂ ದುಃಖ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ, ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ದುಃಖನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ there are 17 yogas which Krishna has marked to make the hopeless fellow into hopeful fellow and put him in the chariot, make him take the weapons and fight with the tough army, Bhishma, Drona, Kripa, Ashwatthama, with all these great warriors of warrior rank. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಮಾಯಾತಿ. ಸಿ ದಿ ಸ್ಥಾನಂ, ಆಯಾ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣವಾಯು ಉಚ್ಛ್ವಾಸ ನಿಶ್ವಾಸಗಳಿಂದ ಆಯಾ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಾ ಅಂಗಗಳೆಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಘ್ನ. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್, ವಿಭುತ್ವಂ ಚೈವ ಪಂಚದ. ವಿಭುತ್ವಂ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ದಿ ರೂಲರ್. ಯೋಗ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರೂಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಯಾರೋ ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದನೋ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮುಂಡೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಬಾಹ್ಯಂ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೂ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ಸ್? ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಮಾಡೋರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಂ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಿಭುತ್ವಂ. ಎ ಮದರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೆನು ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡೇ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿಭುತ್ವಂ ಚೈವ, ಅದು ಏನು, ಇನ್ 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್: ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಅಪಾನ, ವ್ಯಾನ, ಉದಾನ, ಸಮಾನ. ಈ 5 ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆತ್ಮಂ ಅಧಿ. ಅಧಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆತ್ಮ, ಶರೀರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಚಿತ್ತಂ ಆರ್ ಮನಸ್ಸು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಸ್ಯ ಚೈವ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವರ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, if you remember that the pranam goes and comes back, you sleep, you die and come back to life. Night 8 hours you are on the bed, so 8 hours no activity, and we go to sleep with a hope that pratar in pratah bhavishyati udayishyati surya. So morning happens, surya is born, and on a hope in that we go to sleep. Supposing you know that you are going to have a danger during the night, you are passing out, you never go to sleep at all. You will wake well. That's why ನಿದ್ದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಅಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಮರಣ, ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಡೆತ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಡೆತ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಫಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದು ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ Upanishad also is giving you the step to control your Adhyatma Bhavana, and Bahi is always educating you, at the same time giving you unhappiness also. See, there are so many people who desire certain many things, but when they desire, they don't think that whether they deserve it or not, no matter. But desire is always lurking, is always rising. Therefore, Adhyatma Jnanam means that who are you? Kastvam, Koham, Kuta Ayataha. And all these questions when we put, then we are able to appreciate our life. So in this 3rd chapter, Paipalada Maharshi is beautifully answering the question by the Aswalayana Maharshi. Look at it. Aswalayana is also a great Veda Rishi. And Pippalada is also a great Rishi who got entire Atharvaveda revealed. Therefore, we call it as Atharvaveda. ಈ ಅಥರ್ವವೇದ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಧಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಆಧಿಭೌತಿಕ ಆಯುದೈವಿಕ ತಾಪತ್ರಯಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೌ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಥರ್ವ. ಥರ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇಯ್ನ್, ದುಃಖ, ಕಷ್ಟ, ಕೆಲಾಮಿಟಿ. ನ ಥರ್ವ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು meet out all that and find some comfort. Therefore, it is called Atharva. So, it's a miscellaneous topics are there in Atharveda. So, it's called, that's why people call it as a people's Veda. ಪ್ರಜಲಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಿರುವುದು. ದಿ ಅದರ್ ವೇದಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅದರ್ ವೇದ. ಸೊ ಪಿಪ್ಪಲಾದ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವರ್ಷನ್. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಪಿಪ್ಪಲಾದ ರಿಸೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಶಾಖಾ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಣವಾಯುವಿಂದಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಬಹಿರಾತ್ಮ ಎರಡೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ಲಲಿತಾ ಸಹಸ್ರನಾಮలో ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಗ ಸಮಾರಾಧ್ಯ ಬಹಿರ್ಮುಖ ಸುದುರ್ಲಭ ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿಗೆ. ಬಹಿರ್ಮುಖ, ಅಂತರ್ಮುಖ. ಸೊ ಯು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಶೀತಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಶೀತಲಿಯಾಮ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಟಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಡೌನ್ವುಡ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ದಿ ಟಂಗ್ ಔಟ್, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಟಂಗ್. ಆ ಸುಖ, ಆ ಅನುಭವ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಯೋಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸು, ದಟ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಶೀತಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಶೀತಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. I think I should stop. We'll continue the fourth chapter in the next class. Thank you very much. Om Swasti. Vasan or anybody? Om.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावमधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Harihi Om.
हरिः ओम्।
सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. श्रीवेदपुरुषाशीर्वादमस्तु.
धन्यवादोऽस्तु।
Om Tat Satu.
तत्सत्।
So happy Purusha.